Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android ViewFlipper Animation. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We'll give a name to the project and language kotlin. For ViewFlipper Animation, we require few images. I have 5 images in my desktop. I will place the images in Android Studio drawable folder. While placing the images in the drawable folder, we should select only drawable folder and not some other version of drawable folder like V24 etc. We will go to the main activity layout file. We are creating a ViewFlipper layout width and layout height match parent, and we are giving an ID to the ViewFlipper. In animation @android:anim slash slide in left, out animation @android:anim slash slide out right. Inside ViewFlipper, we will create image views. We are creating 5 image views and we are giving same width and height to the 5 image views. In ViewFlipper, when we create image views, images come one top of other, so we could see only one image that is on top. Inside main activity onCreate method, we are getting the reference of the ViewFlipper, then assigning flip interval to the ViewFlipper, and then calling the method ViewFlipper.startFlipping. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.